Hey guys, what is up? So today we are putting a new tire on the back of the 110. So if you look here, like literally nothing left. These are crappy kind of tires that have been on the bike since I've had it. And then you got these, this one, a Scorpion. You can just tell the tread difference and quality difference. So I'm gonna get the tags cut off and then take the tire, the wheel off of the swing arm and get it taken out. Alright, wheel off. So now I'm going to tell you what you'll need. You will need some baby powder, some lubricant of some sort. So Dawn dish soap works, this is in a spray bottle, window cleaner works. That you'll need tire spoons, and then a valve stem remover. I have two different kinds. Either one work and extra valve stems. So you'll need. Alright, valve stem removed. Now you're gonna break the bead by pushing down on it, so that way, since your valve stem is removed, it makes the tire completely flat. So you're gonna push down on the outer edges of the tire, and it should make a pop sound. Alright, now it's off the bead. Now we're going to take our tire spoons and start working the tire off. If you're working with one of these Apollos like I am, cheap China rice, these bearings just like to pop right out. So just keep track of them, because that's not how wide you want your wheel. So. Off. Now we gotta check the tube. Alright, this can go over there with the other one. That's a spare tire, although the hub's messed up on the wheel. But there are two tires there. Junk, so we'll probably end up on the pit bike track somewhere. In one of the corners. Alright, checking the tube. Seems to be holding there. Nothing's seeping out, so that's good. Alright, so now you're gonna take this new tire. What you're gonna do, take that baby powder and pour it inside. Alright, now it's time to baby powder the tubes. As you can see, hold on, I double layer my tubes. So here's the fresh tube. Well, not fresh, but it's been running on the bike and it's still good. And then I just cut up an old tube, double layer it. That way, I'm catch it and pinch it. You won't pinch it easily. So you can see like the little marker where I've pinched it. I'm gonna put a different one on in here that's already cut out. This one seems dead. Alright, so here's the other tube. We're gonna quickly cut it up so we can use it on the outside. For this one, I ripped the stem off. So it's fine. Alright, so now I'm gonna got the stem right here. Start cutting this thing in there. Like this. Bring it down that seam as much as possible. It won't matter if you don't, but it just helps. Part of the sidewall of the tube. Doesn't really matter if you go on the outside to make that tube thicker and less likely to bust if you hit a rock. As you hear where I live, it's very rocky soil. Alright. Now right here where the stem is, right there, you're gonna want to cut that little hard bit out. There you go. Around it. Okay. On both sides. Hold on. Let me see if I can get this. Now it's all cut. What we're gonna do is cover this in baby powder. We're gonna cover the inside in baby powder. Throw the fresh tube in baby powder and stick it on the inside of that tire. Alright, so we have the tube in the tire. Now we're going to pump up the tire to center the tube inside the tire. So as you can see, it's receding back into the tube, into the tire, centering the tube within the tire. Alright, that's probably enough air pressure. So now we're going to deflate it, and we're going to put it back on the rim. Alright, to start this, we're going to put some of that Windex around the sides and rub it in on both sides. Then we're gonna take this stem, put it through the stem hole, and we're gonna put the screw on lightly. Alright, so as you can see, we have the screw back on. Alright, now it's a little straighter. We're gonna have to push this tubing back into the thing, but now we're gonna push the tire over the rim with the tubing. As you can see, I got the tire on, I'm pumping it up, it's holding air, and I'm trying to seal the bead. I had to cut the time lapse because it fell over and this thing was being a pain in the butt, so. Alright, so I have this wheel pumped up at 30 PSI. I'm gonna leave it there since the bead isn't exactly sitting right, or sealing. So, I'm gonna leave it at 30 PSI. It's probably more like 35 right now, but I'm gonna leave it up there high until I ride it. That way, gives it some time to push itself over the bead. So yeah. And now we have a fresh Scorpion tire. This should give us a lot of tread on the pit bike track. But now I gotta clean up baby powder. So with that, peace.